Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been so long and no excuses, but I was really busy so I couldn't film any videos. But jumping straight to today's video, I am here with a very exciting video. Although I had no plans of filming any videos today, but at the end I ended up filming this video because I found these really interesting things in stores, so I thought I would just come here and just do a video for you guys. So yeah, I went to Shoppers Drugmart today just because, I went there to just see if there's any makeup or if there's anything that I just want to try it or if I wanted to review it or something like that. So I just went in there and I didn't really see anything that caught my eye. So I was just like trying to leave, and just while I was leaving, there was a display and it caught my eye. It was a display of these little mini palettes from Essence, and they have 6 of these palettes, and they are like 6-pan, small, little, very, very compact palette, and it just caught my eye. But they didn't have any price or any tag with it, so I just like so curious, and I was like, you know what? They're probably like under $10. I'm just gonna get all of them and just do a review. And also another thing that just made me just buy it was I looked for a price online and I just wanted to find out about this palette, and I couldn't find anything. Like, I was standing at Shoppers Drugmart and I went in their website to see the price and everything about the palette, and there was nothing online, like not even on Shoppers Drugmart online. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get the palette and see what it is about. I decided I'll just go with all 6 so that if you guys want to pick any of the palettes, you can just decide on which you want to pick and which you don't. And yeah, I already used one of the palettes and that's what's on my eyes, and I will show you guys how I created this look later in the video, because when I see reviews and stuff, I'm not so much interested in the looks and stuff, but I still wanted to show you guys what the palette is all about and if it's worth it, you know what I mean? So yeah, so they have 6 different palettes, and it comes with 6 shades. There's a blue, there's a mauve, coral, and bronze palette, green, and very taupey, which I have it on my eyes. So the first one that they have is like to mauve it. So this is basically like mauve toned, like more purpley, like I don't know, this is more like purpley than mauve. I don't know, but yeah, and it's a pretty good quality. Quality feels exactly like Colourpop palette, and it has a decent sized mirror, and the mirror is pretty good. And these palettes are made in PRC. So yeah, so it's made in PRC and it is vegan. I think it is cruelty free. I was just like looking about this palette on their page, and they mentioned in the comment that it's cruelty free as well. Although it doesn't say here, it just says vegan. So I'm not too sure about that, but like I'll just mention it on my description box if I find out something more about it. It's a decent sized pan. It looks totally high end. I don't own any Fenty little palettes, but these remind me of them. This is the like to mauve it, and Ice Baby. This is the blue. The next one is Coral, Me Maybe. This is the coral, and this one is Bronze This Way. And this is how it looks like. Now that I'm noticing, I think, yeah, so all the palettes have 3 metallics and 3 mattes in them. Next one is Dancing Green. This is how it looks like. And the last one is Taupe It Up. And this is how it looks like. And this is what I have it on my eyes. Like I said, I will insert me trying this palette in the end. I was first thinking of trying 2 different palettes, but again, like, it is right now 12:25 at night, and tomorrow I have to wake up early in the morning, so I thought I would just like use this palette and just call it a day. So yeah, so I haven't used all the palettes, but speaking about the Taupe palette, this is the one that I was most excited about, and to be honest, it's pretty decent quality. They were $4.99 each, and this is the color. I have it all over my lid, especially focused on the outer corner, and the shimmers. I've used this and this. So I use this and the shimmer, and this is at the inner corner, and this is just on my lid. And I blended the matte with this color, and it was not as happy as I would with this gray. It just felt a little bit dry, if you know what I mean. As I was blending it, it felt a little bit dry, but and also was a little bit powdery, but there was no fallout whatsoever because I did have my foundation, concealer, my base makeup already done, but there was no fallout whatsoever, even though it was powdery. Nevertheless, it blended pretty good, and I was able to achieve this look, and I think I'm pretty happy. I haven't done a very cool tone, like silvery look like this in a very long time, so I was pretty happy with how the look turned out. And yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the eyeshadow palette. Although I haven't used all the palette, I am planning to use them all, or like make short reels or stuff like that on Instagram, so that you guys can also check it out and see how the palettes work. But like I said, I just got it today and I just wanted to film it right away. I only got a chance to play with just one eyeshadow palette, so but I will definitely insert swatches here so that you guys can see. Although swatches does not really tell how the shadows work, to be honest, but still, if you want to see the colors and how the color payoff is, you can definitely see those swatches. So yeah, that is my review on the palette. I can't tell about all the palette, but definitely whatever I tried, I loved it. It's totally worth $4.99, and it was Canadian $4.99, so probably like $3 US. But again, the shimmers were definitely better than mattes, and yeah, so far so good. It gets a thumbs up. So now I will just insert the swatches so that you guys can see how the color payoff is. So guys, those are all the swatches of the palette, and now I just insert my clip using this palette so that you guys can see how this palette works out. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys to pick up a palette if you decide to pick one. Let me know in the comment section, and if it was helpful, let me know that as well. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time in another exciting video. Until then, you guys stay beautiful. Bye guys.